Hi everyone. So we are back from India.
It's been 2 weeks since you're back.
We are trying and settling into the routine because back home we were just having fun, getting home cooked meal. So we find it slightly difficult to settle in a normal routine.
Yeah.
But yeah, we will be fine, I guess.
You're doing well with
Yeah.
the grey weather.
Yes, especially the winters are
I
coming.
have not seen sun since we are back. And it was such a change from 20 degrees to 13 degrees, which feels like 7 degrees. But we are settling in.
And an update on our biggest DIY of the flat, that was kitchen island. So we ended up finishing that last weekend. Considering it was heavy, we had to get some help from our friends, and they were kind enough to come. So PD came from Birmingham straight to help us, and then we also asked Satyam because it was slightly heavy. But
But we did it. It was a bit difficult, bit technical to do it, but we did it.
Yeah.
You'll see in the video soon.
so the kitchen island was here, but we didn't order the bar stools because we just wanted that to be set up first, and just wanted to avoid too many boxes at the house.
Since we have been dealing with a lot of boxes in our living room for a while now, ever since we moved in apparently. So we didn't want any more boxes in our living room. But we searched a lot about Bastool, we visited Dunham as well, looked around, found good pieces, but there was always a mismatch in either the material or the style. So we searched more, and finally we found one that we like on Amazon, and we ordered it.
Yeah, so that came in this week. Dunham had some good options. Since our intention to use Kitchen Island as a dining alternative, we just wanted a material which is more easier to clean. And the one model which we're liking specifically in Dunham was velvet, which would be very hard to clean on a regular basis.
And also, I'd really like some white ones, but we didn't want a white one because our kitchen island is white. So,
Yeah,
but I was leaning a lot towards the white ones.
our house would have become a white house if we just keep buying more white stuff. We need to literally add more colors at this point, which we want to. So today we'll install the chairs and sort of complete the final look. The only thing which will still be left would be to install the lights.
Kitchen island lights.
So we did order that, and I think that's the first thing that got delivered in March. That's packed, but we need to hire an expert to actually install those,
it, yeah.
which
It's
we
going
will.
to be a task. We can't do it ourselves. I mean, we can't risk it. It's talking about the whole house lighting, so I don't want to risk it. So we're definitely going to hire someone to get help.
Yeah, and we're also not too much, experience in understanding the lighting stuff. We can give it a go, but for the first time at least, we want someone else to do it who is aware of that. Today we'll install the chairs, but you go back and see how we ended up installing the biggest and the heaviest piece of the kitchen island, and then we'll show you the final look how it looks.
You remember pushing us that heavy piece? We did manage to put it over the island, even when it was too heavy. We did all together.
But we needed 4 hands for that. So
If you don't know what you're talking about, go to the kitchen island video. You'll see what we were dealing with. It was very heavy.
And it was fun to install. So yeah.
So this is the final piece of the kitchen island, which came the top part of the kitchen island, which is broken the last 2 times. They have delivered it again, and it's here finally after a very long time. Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you can still see, it is in a not very good condition.
Like the box is not in a good condition, but let's hope the product is. It's still 57 kilos, so it's not nice.
Of course, yeah. But yeah, you can see all these marks. It does look like it went through a lot. Let's lay it down and then see if everything's intact.
It's not broken. It's not broken.
Okay. Oh.
That's fine.
Got the replacement piece again before we went to India. And it's the first weekend since we are back. And PD is here to help us. We'll be doing an attempt and finishing the installation today, finally. Everything is simple. It's just the last week that will break a breath. So let's get started. We have separated all the pieces. A bit confusing, but you're working through it.
I don't know how to set living room lamp to that setting.
After multiple putting in, taking out, the base is almost ready. It's a bit sturdy now. It has taken some kind of right shape. We've completed till step 5 and there are like few more to go, and that's our hard working labor. By this time we have almost mastered DIYs. This is the drawer space, these are the wine spaces, and that's the piece that will come in the front, and the major one is just sitting there, and this is the another marble piece just that will come on the side. We're almost there, but yeah, it's a bit tricky to assemble. You have to fit a lot of pieces in, and yeah, that's the old piece which is broken, the initial first piece. We'll need to get rid of that as well. Not sure how we're going to do that. It's such a huge and heavy piece. Desh and everybody has gone to Satyam's house to get the electric screwdriver to make things easy.
Now we are tired. Ria is at work, but we have made it look like this. It looks good.
When you switch, press down to open. That is when you switch. ये तो लगाओ, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं समझ गया। नहीं, एक मिनट साइड देख ले भाई, नहीं एक बार वापस पूरा निकाल।
बीच में
अच्छा ये वाले जाएंगे,
ये सब है
ठीक है।
इस बार सारे लगे ना, आई थिंक हमारे लगा है नीचे, वहाँ लगेगा नहीं है ना, ठीक है ये इसका हटा दो बस प्लीज, इसको भी पकड़ा मार दो,
स्क्रू भी हटा दे। स्क्रू एक एक्स्ट्रा कैसे बैठ सकते हैं
आप उससे हटा दो
और सिक्वन उठाएगा।
अभी मैं और ये उठाएगा
उस साइड चली जा, नहीं देख इधर से ना लास्ट में मिडिल का सपोर्ट ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, तो
मैं इधर रहती हूँ ना,
उस साइड रहो।
पकड़ लगा अभी।
हाँ हाँ
तू वहां से उठा लिया और हम मेन जाएगा, सब उठते ही सत्यम के पास जाएगा वो सब, तो यहाँ से तो अलग अलग सपोर्ट देती नीचे।
अभी भी तो बोलो।
अभी तो
मतलब कोई अपना सपोर्ट रहा नीचे
हाथ डाल
हाथ डाल के
रुक जाओ, मैं अपनी साइड से डालूं पहले। एक मिनट
ये ऐसे भी उठा सकता है दीदी,
बट फिर यार बीच में सपोर्ट नहीं रहेगा ना, इसलिए मैं रिया को इस तरह डालने के लिए कह रहा हूँ,
ठीक है।
या सीधा उठा ले ऊपर ऐसे,
मैं तो
इसको
सीधा-
टेढ़ा मत
पहले नीचे बिछा लो, फिर
इसको ना ऐसे उठा दे
पास
और
जाके फिर
ऐसे ही ले जा,
हाँ
और उधर फिर सत्यम इधर हाथ लगाएंगे,
हाँ
रिया इस साइड आ जा, ठीक है, रिया इस साइड से पकड़, इस साइड आ जा,
वो साइड रहते हैं, वो प्लास्टिक लग जाएगा।
तो हम दोनों ना इसको उठा के
सीधे रखते हैं,
ऐसे ही ले जाते हैं।
बेसिकली सीधा तभी करना है जब तार हाथ लगे हो।
हाँ
1 2 3 ओ भाई साहब, बहुत ही बढ़िया सपोर्ट ये।
सीधा सीधा खड़े करके रखा, ऊपर उठा, अब
सत्यम
बिल्कुल एकदम सेंटर में
सेंटर ये तू भी चली जा, सेंटर पे हाथ डाल, सेंटर पे हाथ डाल, इन मिडल ऑफ
ये आप ऐसे हाथ में डालो, बीच में
बीच में ये तू बीच में कोई नीचे नहीं,
थोड़ा तेरी साइड नीचे,
थोड़ा ऊपर,
हाँ नीचे धीरे से ला, छोड़ दो रिया, बस छोड़ दो, Okay. बहुत क्या आंसर है
मीरा बनाने का इतना खौफ हो गया ना
अरे मेरे तो चटाकी थी
चीज़ बनाने का
वही वैसे
The final piece is up.
साइंटिफिक रीजन एक स्क्रू दोगी इधर
हाँ.
So we are done installing our kitchen island, and this is how it looks. It looks like the same what we were expecting. Gladly our friends were here to help because the top piece was quite heavy but fit in very perfectly. So
Yeah, it went very smooth,
yeah,
surprisingly.
90% of the work is done. We just need to add in the gates and the drawers, but that's like the easy part, so no stress. But if we show you our living room, that is a mess, so that also needs to be sorted. The drawers there, both thermocol, mess. Yeah, but we will sort it out. It's Saturday, so if not today, probably tomorrow, but really heavy. Now we need to get the chairs, which I've already shortlisted.
Yes.
Very happy. Now our living room feels complete. Yeah, it does feel like home. Nice.
Good job.
Good job.
Proud of you.
Proud of you. It came in very nicely packaged because if you look at even on the sides, they've added thermocol layer. It's all bubble wrapped, wooden. So I quite like the packing. And we bought 4 chairs as we mentioned, and we paid around £185 plus £10 delivery for that. And it came in within a day. It was a good deal because on Denim the cheapest that we were getting was around £59 per chair. So around 240, whereas we got it 195. And the material looks nice as well. Yeah, we didn't get the color at the dinner. So yeah, let's quickly, because it's not very difficult to assemble, it's just 4 steps, 4 screws each per chair. So let's quickly do it and then show the final look.
It's very well packed.
Yeah, very impressed. Like even on the smaller details like this, they have added thermocols. There's a small metal thing. They have added thermocol there as well. Every possible place. Really, like generally you would not expect people from Amazon, like most of the people from Amazon, to send their items like this, but it's very well packed. Quite really like it.
It's just the 4 screws going in the seat. It's a full size seat. It looked a bit smaller in the image, but I think one person can easily sit on it comfortably. One big person can easily sit on this comfortably. I'm just wondering if it'll fit the space here. I think it'll go a little this side, but which is fine. It's just easy installation now. Gas lift.
So that's done. Literally, I just added it on the base, and the next step is just this.
First one is set. Let's do the second, third, fourth.
Nice one. So this was the final look, and
We need to add a bit more. The lightings will get fixed, and the bits we'll add on the kitchen island, on the shelf. There's still
few
bits.
things. If you have
Few
any
things.
recommendation, please drop them in the comment box. And if you also want the links to either of the kitchen island or the chairs, also comment and we'll be happy to share.
Yeah.
we also need to add the curtains. This should be another video, and that video will showcase like our entire curtains journey, I would say, starting from buying the curtain tracks to buying the sheer curtains and eventually buying the main lacquer curtains.
And I really love our sheer curtains.
Yes, we like it.
This is the best that you get. It falls really beautifully.
So yeah, we're signing off for this video and see you in the next video.